Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, let's discuss the insertion snap. At the command line, type snap. This opens up the drafting settings. Make sure you're on the Object Snap tab, and we're going to select Insertion. The description: snaps to the insertion point of objects such as an attribute, a block, or text. Okay, let's take a look. We're going to start off by making our block, just a quick simple block. Let's turn on our quadrant snaps. If you're unsure what that is, you can refer to one of my previous videos. Just going to add a quick hatch. Select the whole thing. We're going to just call it test or name it test. And we're going to specify the base point on the screen, and it's going to be at the center of this circle. Okay, so now we have our block named test created. Let's insert a text. That's probably going to be very small text. And let's just scale that up a bit. So we have our sample, and we have a regular text, and let's add in an attribute. I'm just gonna make that just one, and that's gonna be very tiny as well. I'm just going to scale that up as well by 3. Okay. So now let's take a look at the insertion. Let's try to move our block, and the insertion is right at the center where we have our base point set up. Okay, so let's just take out the quadrant snap for clarity. So again, the insertion point snap is right at the center. Let's do a quick test to see what happens if we move the base point of the block. The insertion point, the base point of a block is at coordinates 0, 0, 0. Save the drawing, save the block. Okay, so now our insertion point or our base point has moved. So now let's see what happens to the location of our snap. Now it has moved with the base point. Okay. Okay, so now with the sample text, let's use the move command. And we have the insertion right at the bottom left of that text. Let's see if we change the justification of this to be at the center. What happens to our insertion snaps? And it indeed picks up the insertion at the justification of the text. Okay, and what about this attribute here? This attribute is currently left justified. If we try to move it, we have the insertion right here. Let's change the justification to maybe top center. So now the grip has moved to the top center here. Now let's try to move that and see where our insertion. Okay, there goes our insertion at the top center. And there you have it, folks. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.